Alright, I bought this Rain X headlight restoration kit today. This is what it comes with. Has this drill attachment here with the Velcro on it. Little instruction booklet. What's this? Really just a piece of paper. Two of these gloves. You get 5 pieces of sandpaper. 2 are 1500, one's 32, and one's 4000. And you get the polish, and you get a sealant wipe, and of course you get this, what do they call it, a buffer pad? That's everything you get with it. Polishing pad is what they say. So I'm going to try to restore my headlights and see how good this gets it, and go from there. But I got this at Walmart today. It was $22 there, even though the app said it was like $19.88. But it shows you on the side everything that's supposed to come with it. And the gloves are definitely a different color, but you know, it is what it is. They're gloves. And I would have bought the 3M one, but they didn't have any in stock, so I bought this one instead. Alright, this is what the headlights look like right now. That's where I'm starting at. Let's see where we get. It might start raining here soon, so I may not be able to finish this today. But the instructions tell you to clean them first. So I got 3 rags with me. I got 2 balls of cleaner. That one there is this soap and water. And that's all-purpose cleaner. It says it's good for plastic. So I'm gonna see if soap and water does the job first. If not, I'll try that and get them as clean as I can with that. Then I have to start with the sandpaper and go from there. Take a while, but we'll see how this goes. The instructions say to start with the brown sandpaper, and it's got a Velcro back on it. It says do that too. The instructions said to do the gray one next. I think the blue one was last. Keep going. It says to make sure all yellow has been removed. I don't see any yellow, but maybe it's a slightly yellow now. Alright, I think I'm going to go ahead and change it to the gray. And just Velcro. And to me that looks blue and that looks kind of gray, but that looks more gray to me. This is gray. Let's start with the brown. It's looking way better already to sight than that one over there. Way clearer. One more time. One more. Better did. Let's see if I have another one in my trailer or not. If not, I have to change my drill. Yep. I'll switch to my Milwaukee, and it's fully charged. Next step is supposed to be the polishing pad. I could do all of those again and see if it gets any better. That's what it looks like after a second pass over is all three. I'm going to use the polish and the polishing pad. If it doesn't start raining, I will do the other one, but off camera. And go from there. Alright, polishing pad on the same thing. It says to put a nickel size in the center of it, and it says wipe it across the thing first before you start using the drill. It says to wet and wipe the lens. remove the excess polish, and it should be better, and repeat until it's where you want it. I mean, from what it was, it's way improved, but I will hit it again with some more polish. Right there. I gotta do the other one before I apply the wipe to them. That's supposed to be the protective stuff. But I would say that looks much better than it was. Alright. I'll be back when I finish. Alright, just for a close-up look at this one before I start. See how bad it looks. I'll be back when I'm done with this one. Alright, that's what it looks like after I sanded and polished it. I'm going to use this wipe. It's supposed to have something like clear coat in it, I think. See? So it's supposed to clear up on its own, so let it dry for an hour. Make sure you coat it and make sure there's no dry spots. Other side again. And I'll leave them to dry and we'll see what they look like in the morning. Let's see what it looks like now. Much better than it was. I'll see what they look like in the morning after this all dries. Alright, it's the next morning. It's been more than 8 hours to allow them to dry. Looks pretty good to me. Looks like they're a little wet right now, but they are way clearer than they were yesterday. So that kit definitely works.